The music started soft, but the beat grew stronger, and Bluey stood in the middle of the living room, paws tapping nervously. Everyone's eyes were on her, Bingo cheering, "Go Bluey! You can do it!" The spotlight feeling made her heart pound. Could she really dance in front of everyone? Bandit clapped to the rhythm, Chilli smiled wide, Lucky and Rusty jumped excited, Muffin spun in a silly circle. The energy filled the room, but Bluey froze for a second. Her paws shook, her tail stiff. What if she messed up? What if everyone laughed? Then the beat dropped. Bluey closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and let the music flow. One paw forward, spin, leap, suddenly the crowd gasped. She looked so alive. Every move felt bigger than the room itself. Could it really be Bluey glowing like a star on a stage? Bingo shouted louder, "Yes, Bluey! Keep going!" The music bounced, the lights flickered, and Bluey's dance turned faster. She twirled, slid across the floor, arms stretched. Bandit nearly fell off the couch, cheering. Chilli covered her mouth in awe. Rusty and Lucky copied her moves, laughing wild. But then, the music switched. Slow, mysterious, almost spooky. Bluey tilted her head, stepped carefully, then waved her arms like shadows. Everyone went silent. Could she change the whole mood with just a step? Muffin whispered, "She's like a real performer." The final beat grew louder, the room shaking. Bluey spun one last time, leapt into the air, and landed with a perfect pose. Silence. Then boom, applause exploded. The house roared with cheers. Bingo hugged her tight, "That was amazing." Bandit wiped a fake tear, "My little star." Chilli laughed, clapping harder than anyone. Bluey looked around, cheeks red but eyes shining. She bowed, giggling. "Thank you everyone. I didn't think I could do it, but I did." The family shouted back, proud. And Bluey turned to the camera, smiling big. If you danced with me, even just a little, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and join me again for more adventures.